Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh. Today is the 22nd October and today's video topic is it's a non-technical topic and topic name is global politics. Politics refers to a study of analysis of politics relationship between countries and others. International actor empowerment, wide range of issue including diplomacy, international organization, foreign policy, and global governments. Understanding global politics and crucial for comprehending and the complex and various issues will be discussed. Global politics is the study of politics, relationship, and interaction between countries, international organization, and other actors on a global scale. It involves analyzing the factors that influence international decision making, the dynamics of power and the corruption, and the challenges and opportunities prevent a globalization. Now we discuss key concept of global politics. Sovereignty, the principle of that state as supreme authority within to own territory. Interdependence, the interdependencies of nations and the economics making them increasingly reliant on each other. International organization, institution of their big together countries and address common challenges such as United Nations, the World Trade Organization, and the International Monetary Fund foreign policy. The strategies that policy pressure to country to achieve the objective in the international areas. Global governance, the process of institution that regulate the manage of global affairs. Major theories and perspective. Realism emphasizes the importance of power and national interest in the international relation. Elites argue that states are primarily motivated by self-interest and the competition for power. Liberalism focusing on corporation independence and the role of international institutions of promoting peace of perspective. Liberals believe the state can work together and address global challenges. Role of ideas, belief, and narrow shaping fundamental relation. Constitution argue that the various state perspectives interact with each other, influenced by their share traditional approach to international relations, arguing that they are often incontinent and rejected the voices of group of emphasize the importance and diversity, complexity, and subjectivity in the understanding of global politics. Now we discuss various examples of the global issue. Climate changes. Addressing the global challenge of climate change require international operation and coordinate action. Nuclear professional, preventing a spread nuclear weapon and ensuring nuclear non-proliferation. Human right promoting and protecting human right worldwide include civil, politics, economics, social, and cultural right. Trade and economies, globalization, managing challenge and opportunity to present by the increasing interconnectedness of global economies. Security and terrorism, addressing the threats of global security such as terrorism and various terrorism role. This will be answered. This is all about today's video topic. Global politics. We discuss all the points in today's video topic. Thank you.